वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकी. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल as we had gone to a supermarket and we got this neck piece, chicken neck piece. So now it's not everybody's favorite, but there are some and it is their favorite, and it is one of us, that is me and my husband. We love this. So this is like half kg of chicken neck piece, and you will get it only at chicken shop or a supermarket. Okay, so this is half kg and it's in India it is like 85 rupees kg. So just for a quick side dish to eat it with dal rice or something like that. So what we need is, so I'm going to make a quick recipe, and for that 1 teaspoon of Jeerem Meerem powder, that is our Goan Jeerem Meerem powder. Then 1 teaspoon of our garam masala powder, that is also homemade, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then we need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. If you want to add less, then add less. Then we need to add our salt to taste. So 1 teaspoon for this quantity. And we add this lime juice. So 1 whole lime juice along with the seeds and along with the skin, because this is homegrown. If you want you can remove, if you want you can eat. Then we need 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 green chili and little bit of coriander powder, and 3 flakes of garlic. I have chopped it finely with our Wonder Chef chopper. Add this all together. And then nicely mix all together. We'll add some mustard oil and then cook this on a low flame. So we'll add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. That's it. So let's cover this and cook this on low flame for 10 minutes. Now we'll just mix this. Let's check this. Yeah, so this is in 5 minutes. So now we will make higher flame and cook this for another 5 minutes. And here our yummy, delicious, quick dish is ready. That is chicken neck masala. So I will now cook this open pan for few minutes and it is done. Try this recipe and enjoy it just like that, or with bread or with dal rice. म्हणता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटली आमच्या कोंबडेच्यो गोमत्यो, ज्यो अवेलेबल आसतल्यो आनी मेळटल्यो तुमकां सुपर मार्केट or चिकन शॉपान. रॉयल फूड आसता, मागीर आमचे डेल्फिनोज, थिंगासून वचून घेयात. आनी एक क्विक डिश करात, सायड डिश, एंड एन्जॉय. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां ही सगल्यांनी आवडटली आनी तुमी करून खातली. Like how we eat chicken wings, it is same. So try. It has got some meat on the neck and the bones are yummy when you chew it. When you bite it, it is yummy. So if you have never tried it, then try it today. Thank you so much. Dev bare karu.
Lovely, tasty and yummy Jeerem Meerem chicken neck. It's very tasty. Try it at home. Enjoy.